What is FlexQuartz? Well, it's a low VOC, single component, ready-to-use decorative coating for interior or exterior surfaces. It's ideal for balconies, driveways, pool decks, and kitchens. Now, what is the Paver Seal WACT 30, better known as the WACT 30? It's a water-based acrylic concrete sealer used to protect and enhance the concrete surfaces. It's low VOC, enhances appearance, and helps resist moisture and stains. The WACT can be used as a standalone sealer and is also a recommended sealer for FlexQuartz decorative coating systems. Step 1, prep the surface. Grinding is recommended to remove existing coatings. If you're not grinding, pressure wash thoroughly to remove contaminants. Let the concrete fully dry before sealing, and a clean, dry surface is essential for successful installation. Step 2, pigment the sealer. Okay, the sealer needs to be pigmented before the FlexQuartz application. You can pigment the WACT using XPS water-based pigments. The alternate way to tint that would be taking it to your local paint store, and ideal, you want to do it in white, black, dark gray, or tan. Do not skip this step before applying the FlexQuartz. Step 3, apply the sealer. You want to apply 2 coats of the WACT 30 before the FlexQuartz installation. You can apply it using a dip and roll method with an 18-inch roller, or you can use a pump sprayer for application as well. Ensure even coverage and proper dry time between coats. This step creates the foundation for the FlexQuartz system. Step 4, time to apply the FlexQuartz. You need to apply 2 thin coats with a rubber squeegee. They come in 5-gallon pails, and you get about 200 square feet per pail. Ensure even coverage and proper dry time between coats. Step 5 is the optional final sealer. Apply a final coat of the WACT 30 for added protection and easier maintenance. Great results don't happen by accident. They happen when every step is done right. Save this for your next FlexQuartz project. Don't guess, ask the pros.